Hello, hi students. Welcome to session 2020-2021 syllabus of maths for class 9 unit name of units and marks. First chapter first unit number system 8 marks. Second unit algebra 17 marks. Third unit coordinate geometry 4 marks. Fourth geometry 28 marks. Fourth, fifth mensuration 30 marks, and sixth is statistics and probability 10 marks. Now we have two chapter in this units. First is real numbers. Second, polynomial. Third, coordinate geometry. Fourth is related to coordinate geometry, linear equation into variables. Fifth, introduction of Euclid's geometry. Sixth, lines, angles and triangles. And seventh, triangles. The congruent triangle. Congruency में बोल सकते हैं. Congruency. And eight is quadrilateral. Ninth, area of parallelogram and triangle. Ten, circle. 11th, construction. 12th, Heron's formula for area of triangle. 13th, mensuration. 14, statistics. 15, probability. These are the 15 chapters, but this chapter is not an examination point of view. This is these lines and angle, triangle, quadrilateral, area related to circle, and this construction. These all are the Euclid's geometry, but these are the coordinate geometry. This is analytical geometry, and this is the Euclid geometry. This is called the analytical geometry, and this is called the Euclid geometry. And algebra, real number, algebra, mensuration, statistics, and probability. Right? Now we start the first chapter, real number. Let's now start real number. Real number. In this section first, a real number, rational and irrational. Second, almost fraction. then हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इसमें representation of rational and irrational number. Next, to find rational numbers between any two rational numbers. इसके बाद decimal expansion of rational number, real number. Decimal expansion of real numbers. After then, visualizing of rational number. Or again definition of rational, irrational and real numbers. And operation on real number and algebraic property or operation on real numbers. Next, exponent for real. Exponents of real. These are the required topics in the rational number, real number chapter. Now we start this first topic. At first we want to draw the structure of real number or Venn diagram. Venn diagram. First we start the structure. These two parts: rational numbers and irrational numbers. There are no any common number between rational number and irrational number. These are completely different. And the combination of rational, according to this structure, the combination of rational and irrational are called real number. And what is rational number? Rational number, if we explain in two terms: integrals and fractional. This divides into three parts: 0, natural number, negative of natural number, negative of natural numbers. Fraction and negative of we draw a Venn diagram for this. This represents whole real number, and this is irrational, and this is rational. And there are no common number between them, and it means integral. It means all integers all integers are rational, but every rational are not integer. Just like every Bihari is an Indian, but every Indian is not an Indian. That means Bihar exists in India. Similarly here, integers exist in rational number, but rational number does not exist in integer. That's why every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not an integer. In integer exists whole number. And in this whole number exists natural number, n for natural number. These are the structure, and these are also called Venn diagram. Actually, Venn diagram is studied in the chapter of set theory, which is old syllabus. Already in previous old syllabus, set theory are on set theory in the existing set theory, which is now studied in class 11th. Definition करते हैं. At first rational is at first हम integer करते हैं. नेचुरल नंबर से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं. नेचुरल नंबर से स्टार्ट करते हैं. नेचुरल नंबर लिखेंगे नहीं इसको. All counting numbers are natural number. It is denoted by the set of collection of natural number is denoted by NV closed within the middle brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. It means a group of number enclosed within the middle brackets and separated by the sign comma and denoted by the capital letter N. And the whole number, second is whole number. Whole number is denoted by the capital W and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here this shows that every natural number is a whole number. Just like here, every natural number exists in whole number, but every whole number does not exist in natural number. Just like 0 is whole number, not natural number. Therefore, every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number is not natural number. We can write it in this statement includes third integers. We write this definition here, and the collection of natural numbers, their negatives and 0 are called the collection of natural numbers are called integers. It is denoted by Z. Dot minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now we try to represent this integer on the number line and try to understand these integers on the number line. This is called number line. and starting this is the origin, right side positive and left side negative. 1 same distance, equal distance, 2 equally, 3 4 and so on. Left -1 -2 -3. This is in this direction and this is in this direction. If we move on this number line in leftward from 0 to negative, that means we decrease the value of the number, and we move towards right, that means in the positive direction, then we get more and more number, that means increasing direction, increasing and here decreasing. From any point we move in the right direction, then increasing. From any point we move in the left direction, then decreasing. The value of numbers is decreasing. 0 is the origin point, because it is that is 0 is neither negative nor positive, and we start from this point, go to right direction, then the value of number increasing, and we get move along the left side leftward, then the value of number are decreasing. Now let's start the rational number. What is rational number? We defined as the form of by q in 8 earlier classes, 7 and 8. Rational number. Rational number. At first, integer. Generally, students define integer all positive and negative numbers, including with 0, are called integers, which is absolutely wrong definition, because 3/4 is a positive, but it is not an integer. Similarly, -2/5, this is a negative number, but it is not natural number, sorry, integer. And generally students generally in missing sense, in every positive number and negative number including 0 are called integer, which is absolutely wrong. Here according to the definition, this is integer, which is wrong. That's why we define the integer as like natural number, their negatives and 0. Now rational number, the number which can be right in the form of p by q, where it is necessary. Generally student select every number which is written in the form of p by q is called rational number, which is absolutely wrong, because this 2 can be written as 2/1, because any number not divided by 1 equal to the same number. So root 2 divided 1 equal to 2. So root 2 can be expressed as root 2/1. Root 2 is equal to root 2/1. So according to definition, a number is in the written in the form of p by q is called rational number, which is incomplete. According to this definition, root 2 is also rational, which is wrong. So we have to say that हमें कहना पड़ेगा, बोलना पड़ेगा here, where p and q are integers and q does not equal to 0. Why q does not equal to 0? As first example, 2/3, 4/5. Actually 2/3, 4/3, what is this? 2/3 means 2 divided by 3, and we already studied it. X divided by y means x into 1/y, which is x/y. And we know that any number divided by 0 is not defined. दिस इज ये परिभाषित नहीं है, डिफाइंड नहीं है, इसलिए हमें यहाँ कहना पड़ेगा, बोलना पड़ेगा, क्लियर करना पड़ेगा कि डिनोमिनेटर q, डिनोमिनेटर मींस q मींस डिनोमिनेटर 0 के बराबर नहीं होना चाहिए, तब हमारा डेफिनेशन कंप्लीट होगा, अदरवाइज ये डेफिनेशन इनकम्प्लीट रहेगा। अगर हम बोल देते हैं तक कि नंबर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p by q is called rational number, which is absolutely wrong. Complete definition is clear. Write this line where p and q are integers and q does not equal to 0. There, this is the explanation of this definition. Equal, got it? Next, irrational number. At first, collection of rational number is denoted by capital Q. The collection of rational number is rational number. The collection of rational numbers is denoted by capital Q. That's why Q is equal to, आप लिख सकते हैं बहुत सारा इसका एग्जांपल लिख सकते हैं, लिख देते हैं हम लोग हर तरह का, जैसे -4/3 -7/2 -11/5 डॉट 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 -1/2 -3/2 -5/7 डॉट 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 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 5. Generally students say that if we ask 0 is a rational number, then generally he told that 0 is not a rational number, 0 is a whole number or integer. But 0 is also rational number, integer and whole number, but 0 is not natural number. So that's why we write here almost type of rational number, almost type. And 5 1/2, proper fraction, improper fraction, all are rational number. 5/7, 11/2, 17/11, 25/5, 55/5, 15/3, dot 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 dot, closed bracket. This is complete analysis on rational number, and we are आगे हम लोग और इसका डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन पढ़ेंगे, फिर वहाँ एक और डेफिनेशन हम लोग जानेंगे रेशनल नंबर का और रियल नंबर का भी, रेशनल नंबर का। ये ऑलमोस्ट जो प्रीवियस पढ़ते आ रहे थे उसका मैंने यहाँ एक्सप्लेनेशन किया, जैसे मैंने पढ़ा था तो कुछ मिसिंग था, कुछ कंफ्यूजन था, वो यहाँ पर मैंने क्लियर करने का प्रयास किया। ओके, अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। इरेशनल नंबर, जस्ट अपोजिट, the definition of rational number का just opposite क्या, number irrational numbers, a number which can't be written in the form of p by q. Here also we have to write p and q are integers and q does not equal to 0. Okay, example, √2, √3, √5, √7, √8, √10, etc. Note √1, √4, √9, √16, √25, like this. These like this rational numbers. that is root x, where x is a perfect square number, and you are already known what is perfect square in class 8. हो गया क्या?
आगे देखिए ना क्या है
अभी और लेना है सर,
इसका देना होगा
25 अभी और लेना है। Where x is a perfect square, then root x is a rational numbers. Otherwise, root x is an irrational number. Okay. Now, real number. Real numbers. The collection of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers, and the collection of real number is denoted by capital R. Real, capital R. In this we want to write all type of number, so that you able to understand what is rational, what is irrational, and what is real. Every number we study up to class 9th, all are the real numbers. Natural number, whole number, integers, fraction, root में जो भी number है, decimals में, all are the real number. अब तक हम लोगों ने जितने सारे नंबर्स पढ़े सभी रियल है, रियल के अलावा अभी तक कुछ नहीं है। जब रियल है इसका मतलब क्या? अनरियल, अनरियल को हम लोग अनरियल में इमेजिनरी नंबर भी, जब रियल है वास्तविक है, जस्ट लाइक ट्रू देन फॉल्स, सिमिलरली है रियल, दैट्स व्हाई अनरियल, दैट मींस इमेजिनरी आर आल्सो एग्जिस्ट, व्हिच इज स्टडीड इन द क्लास 11th in the chapter of complex number. Complex number, real and imaginary number का कलेक्शन, मिक्सचर को, जैसे हम लोग रेशनल और इरेशनल के कॉम्प्लेक्शन है, कलेक्शन को हम लोग रियल नंबर बोलते हैं, उसी तरह रियल और इमेजिनरी नंबर के कलेक्शन को हम लोग कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर बोलते हैं। इन क्लास 11 कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इज अ चैप्टर, एक चैप्टर है जिसमें हम लोग सारे नंबर्स के विषय में हम लोग फिर पढ़ेंगे वहां, बट इन दिस क्लास 9 हम लोग को बस इतना पढ़ना है रियल नंबर। So we want to write here all type of real number here. Minus root 2. Minus exists outside the root. Carefully see that, careful, attention. The sign minus exists outside the symbol root. Minus root 3, minus root 5 by 2, minus root 3 by root 2. These are all real numbers. Dot dot dot, minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 7 by 11, minus 11 by 6, minus 12 by 5, 4, dot dot dot, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 11, dot dot dot, 11 by 3, 15 by 5, 20 by 4, and root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 3 by 2, root 5 by root 2, and these all type of number, all are the real numbers. Okay students, अब हम लोग इसके आगे हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? इतना आप कंप्लीट करके रखें। फिलहाल अभी आपको एक्सरसाइज नहीं बनाना है, इसके आगे हम कुछ और पढ़ेंगे, इसके बाद एक्सरसाइज बनाना है। ओके थैंक्स, बाय।